Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tomato Blues Kitchen. This is me Anusha Rajagopal sharing pineapple pulissery, a very popular Kerala-based delicacy with you all. Imagine sweet chunks of pineapple in a creamy, tangy and spicy yogurt curry, and that's what is pineapple pulissery for you. Let's get started making this pineapple pulissery. Let's make the spice paste first. For this, add 3/4 cup freshly grated coconut to a blender, 1 green chilli, 1 dry red chili, 1 clove of garlic which has been peeled, 4 shallots which has been peeled and chopped. To this, we are going to be adding 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, quarter cup of slightly sour yogurt. We're going to be adding 1 teaspoon coconut oil. I have used cold pressed coconut oil today. To this, I'm going to be adding quarter cup of water and I'm going to grind it to a slightly grainy paste. Now, if you can see, this is how the spice paste looks like. It's not very smooth, but it has a little grain to it and is slightly coarse. Now, let's get started cooking the pineapple. For this, I'm adding 200 grams of pineapple which is being chopped into chunks. When you choose your pineapple, make sure that they are not too sour. They're supposed to have a slight sweet tinge to it. That is what makes this pineapple pulissery really tasty. Now let's add 1.5 cups of water, or rather enough water to immerse the pineapple. To this, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, and 1 teaspoon of regular white sugar. Now let's mix this well using a ladle. The next step is to cook the pineapple till it is soft. It should hold its shape and yet it should be soft. So this approximately takes 5 minutes on medium flame. I have used a brass pot which has been coated on the inside with tin today for cooking this pineapple pulissery. You can even use a regular stainless steel pan to cook this. Now, once the pineapple has been cooked, that is, it should be soft, juicy and yet it should hold its shape, we are going to get on to the next step, which is adding our ground spice paste. If you can see, the pineapple is all ready now. It is tender, it is soft and yet it holds its shape. You can also see that the water has reduced to a little bit. Now let's add the ground paste into the pineapple. Let's give this a good mix. We are now going to simmer this mixture for about 3 minutes on low flame until the raw smell of the shallots and the garlic disappear. Then let's add 1 cup of yogurt which has a good tang to it, which is being smoothly whisked to our pineapple pulissery. Now mix again, lower your flame to the lowest possible and we are just going to simmer this for 1 minute. Do not let it cook too long after you add the yogurt because the mixture tends to curdle. If you can see, there are small bubbles popping on the surface and that's when our pineapple pulissery is done. Let's add 1 sprig of curry leaves and now let's get on to doing our tempering. I've heated 2 teaspoons of coconut oil in a pan, to which I added a pinch of asafoetida, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, half a teaspoon fenugreek seeds and again 10 shallots which has been finely chopped. Now let's wait for the shallots to become pink and translucent. I'm also adding a sprig of curry leaves. Now that our shallots are done, I'm going to be adding the tempering to our pineapple pulissery. And that's it, my friends. Pineapple pulissery, a tangy, sweet, delicious yogurt-based gravy, is ready to be eaten with hot rice and appalam or papadam. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel if you like this recipe. Let's have a closer look at our pineapple pulissery. For more delicious recipes, please visit tomatoblues.com. In case you try our pineapple pulissery, make sure you click a picture and share it with us on Instagram, Facebook or on Twitter. Our handle for all the 3 social media platforms is Tomato Blues. Thank you for watching the video, friends. We'll be back yet again with another video. Take care and bye-bye.